Sometimes linked tasks have delays or overlaps between them. Delays are common in start-to-start tasks, when the predecessor gets started, and then, a little while later, the other task starts. You can tell a project about delays or overlaps by filling in a task length's lag field. When you're working on task lengths and lag, the best place to be is the task form in the Details pane. So if you don't see that, on the View tab, turn on the Details checkbox, and Project shows the task form at the bottom of the window in the Details pane. If you right-click the form, choose Predecessors and Successors, and that way you have a table and can see both sides of the task link. Well, in this example, we have a task Submit Permit Application. And let's say that there's a 10-day delay to get approval for the permit, and you have to wait that 10 days before you can start construction. So in this case, you want to have a delay between these two tasks. So to do that, in the Successor name field, choose Start Construction. We can have it as Finish to Start. And in the Lag field, type 10D for 10 days. When I click OK, now you can see that there is a 10-day delay after the finish of the first task before the milestone for start construction. On the other hand, if you want an overlap, you use negative lag. So let's say that you want to start loading the truck before the office is completely packed. So in this example, select the Pack Office task, and we already have a Finish to Start in place, but what we want to do is overlap these two tasks. So down in the task form, click the lag field and type -1D to create a 1-day overlap. And when I click OK, now you can see that they overlap by 1 day. Well, you can also put a percentage in a lag cell. And what that does, it'll create an overlap based on the length of a task. So instead of -1D, I'll put -25%. Well, in this case, the Pack Office task is 10 days in duration, so 25% is a 2.5-day overlap. If I change the duration to 8 days, then the two tasks only overlap by 2 days. It's a good idea to include delays or overlaps in task dependencies as you build your schedule. With delays and overlaps in place, your project schedule more accurately models when work will occur.